Our co-starring head, no other than Miss Catherine De Los Santos, palakpakan naman dyan. And last, our chairman of the board of Johnson. Hindi po siya judge. Yun? Hindi siya judger. Ayun.
Okay, so our third judge, with over 30 years of unparalleled experience, he has risen through influential leadership roles across the Philippines and international market, including serving with the prestigious global fine dining restaurant and brand, and his mastery in the restaurant and main shop operations has shaped driving business and elevated standards across the